forearm. This stall right on your elbow, super crucial, super early to try and learn that. Same way we learned the other one, try and move around with it. If you get it, try and throw up into it. That's pretty hard. Or try and roll into it if you really get it. What I like to do is if you put it on, try and give it a little push and roll it into your hand, and that's how you start to learn the forearm roll. Like we were saying, every trick that you do is like learning two tricks because there's an opposite trick associated with it. So instead of rolling it down, you can roll it back. And what you don't want to do is have a thing way up and think that you need a lot of height to roll it, because the flatter you are, the more balanced, and if you push against the object a little bit, you actually can stay in control of it the whole time. So that's the forearm roll.